One should almost be the short straw. Go to Darfield, we'll pick up the other, pick up the 30. It's 118 to Otira. And then I think we'll split it Otira and we'll send the 62 to Greymouth, and the 40 and the 30 will do a run out to Hokitika and charge, and then we'll have a race back to Otira. See who makes it first.
I'm going open road speed the whole time.
You really are?
Yep.
Talking to Jace, who's got a 30 who lives out this way, he reckons if you do 70 you might make it.
Nah, I'm going 100.
We'll send you instructions to Greymouth, you'll be fine. Yeah, I'm plugged in, mate. So what have we got? 288 Ks, it's 253 Ks to Greymouth. Listen, 288.
This will be the first time I don't have to worry about running out.
I'm already on 80%.
So
what are you on in the 62?
84.
84. Is it even going to make it out of Canterbury?
I don't know. Oh,
We'll see.
I know.
We'll see.
So these two bully boys, they've got all the range in the world. I could run out, but I'm not worried because I have my secret weapon. 7 kilowatt hour of battery.
Use it properly.
We've got two issues at the moment. We've got Jace trying to see if he can run his car out.
Showing off.
Yeah, and me trying not to run out.
Jace has got twice the battery.
So he's trying to run out before I run out.
And twice as much power. I'm Piggy in the middle, I'll be fine. And Robbie,
I've got no chance.
you're going to have the Kaiapoi Clencher on before you get 10 more minutes up the road. So I wouldn't use a Bluetooth.
See, I'd create
Turn
a
your
challenge
lights off. And probably just quieten your voice a little. Don't talk.
Make a gentle,
Anything to help.
make a gentle cooing noise to it or something.
You're got 107 Ks to go, Robbie. How much range have you got in the car?
122.
If you took up Porter's Pass, no trouble.
Yeah,
And Arthur's Pass.
If you
Yeah.
got them pushed, you'd be.
I'm not thinking about Arthur's. I'm just going Porters. The top of Porters is the point of no return. Look, I won't get back here.
Yeah, I've got $50 on you not making it.
Have you?
What have we got? What have we got? What have we got? 83%, 204 Ks, and what is it? 107? I'll be fine, mate. Go and have a look at the 30, see what the dash is in that thing.
5% chance to make it the rest of the way. Cool. We're going to pop through this in a minute. It's going to be stinking hot.
$77 k's to go, 66 k's range predicted.
Alrighty boys, how much have I got left?
10%.
Better.
Better. 50?
Better.
Ooh,
59% left.
59. So you're going to make it?
Yep.
$50 is you not? Sure, let's see your $50. Jonas, pilot, on, set, go.
Do you trust in the fog?
I trust it a lot more than I trust myself. It's nice to have an extra set of eyes. Yeah, I think we're going to get a total in the front of that 30 kilowatt car ready to go just in case we need it. There's a room cheese this, it'll be an absolute miracle. Rob McLean.
64k.
What have you got showing?
I'm showing 81.
Mate, you're going to be fine.
I reckon you save me $50.
I reckon you start speeding up. There's no better filming, mate, than you rolling into the Otira Charger with the turtle head poking out. Woohoo!
$14.4 k's to go.
Woo!
Check this out.
12%, 21 kilometres left. From Darfield to Otira.
Far out, I can't believe you made it.
I do believe.
Righto.
I like it. It's trying to confirm that it's got low battery. It's been telling me that for ages. I know.
Plug it in, Robbie.
Plug it in.
Give it the max. Hope it works.
Wow.
12%.
$59 kilometres, 24%.
Oh, when I got to the top of Porters, I knew I'd make it.
Yeah, I don't think you'll make it.
But it got hairy there because I got down to like 9 k's to go, 11 k's range, 9% battery left, according to it. But I gained a lot coming down Otira.
What do you think of this, Robert? This has got to be one of the most over-engineered charging stations there is.
It's insane.
Security, there's a security gate,
There's actually less security at the bank.
there's security lights.
Yeah.
No one's stealing Chris's charger, that's for sure.
No.
In fact, here he is. Chris.
You
Get a
can
Greymouth
run-
now.
run it.
Yeah,
Yeah, ready.
That's why
The
we're
way
here
is
today to try and establish that you can do it.
Yeah.
Okay. You can easily do it at 40.
If all the way is open, come through.
Yeah.
See the charger?
Playground to go in here.
Oh, wow.
There's
No
a
way.
toilet, like a portable toilet
Yeah.
that I just need to fit
Oh,
over
mate,
there.
you gotta have a little Otira Disneyland out here, you know? Where's the roller coaster fitting?
Well, you need to have it as a destination because there's nothing else to do here.
52 charged in Christchurch, hasn't charged since. And it's got how much, Jace? 140 k's left, so that's not going to charge yet. It's just going to go straight to Greymouth to prove that a 52 can go all the way. Hero of the day is Rob, and what must be the most amazing 30 kilowatt car ever. Got here from leaving Darfield at 100%. Got here with how much?
16, but I missed the charger. So
16%, bugger all, but he's got here. It's actually plenty to spare. He could have missed the charger. Wait, he did. So we're just going to hang out here, and we're going to drive over to the coast. We're going to prove that the 62 can get all the way there, charge in Greymouth and come all the way back. The 40 will have a little top up here and a little drink at lunch, and the 30's almost finished. So thanks Chris, really cool facility. Can't express enough just how over-engineered this charging station is. It's got lights, it's got a little weight room. It's a bloody good facility, thanks Chris. Alright, so Rob, you and Ryan will take the 30 and the 40 to Hokitika. Yes. We'll charge together. Jace, you must be getting low. We'll take the 60 to Greymouth, fully charged, and we'll race back here. See who wins. It's $50 on it, isn't there? Mate?
yeah.
From Christchurch to Greymouth with 9% battery and driving at a good pace the whole way, so we weren't being cautious as it would be. We were a solid 100 k's the whole way, no issues whatsoever.
As you don't try and suggest to people that that's a suggested temperature. So we've got back up to 95% in Otira after fast charging to 90 where it's shut off, and trickle charging it back up to 95.
Hey look, Jenna Jackson.
Yeah, so let's not do that. But
Should we
go?
double or nothing our bet earlier today?
What was our bet, mate? I forgot. Did we have
You
one?
owe me $50 because I made it to Otira in this car. You can beat my 88%, you won't owe me anything. Yeah.
Is he good for it?
No, I'm nothing.
Oh, double or nothing for me? No,
Yeah.
no, that's not fair. I'm going to make it better than 7. 7 or better?
7 or better.
7 or better. Off. Lights off. I'd even turn the dashboard illumination down, try and help us get there. Let's go. Here we come. With an already warm battery.
Alright, so how much percentage have you got left? Okay, cool. And you're... Alright, so you're not on turtle mode yet. Once you hit turtle mode, you should be able to hit a K. Make sure you stop before a K is up, otherwise you will end up completely stranded.
Is he not going to make it?
Oh, we'll find out. We'll find out.
Just say you were coming back from Otira and the Darfield charger was offline. You will make it home. Now that was that trip meter, 18.2 k's. I reset that when I ran out. So when the percentage went to 0. So yeah, that 62 kilowatt car is cool. The 40 was always going to make it easy, but the 30 has been very impressive.
Not quite turtle mode though.
I haven't found the turtle. I'm encouraged to go around the block and see if I can find it. It's in there somewhere, but we didn't even find the turtle. So from Otira all the way here on one charge. What a car!